traders, welcome to Money Markets. I know most of you has been waiting for this course to launch from quite a long now, but I wanted to make sure that everything is tested before I launch this course. So guys, I'm not a stranger for you. If you follow me from last couple of months or maybe more than a year, then you have seen the style of my trading. You have seen the results yourself. And if you follow me on Telegram, you are more than welcome to check the results there as well. And if you follow me here on YouTube, you have seen how insanely profitable my strategies are. So now if you want to learn the full trading system, which I personally use for my own trading, then this course is for you. If you want to become a full-time professional trader with a rule-based strategy where you have no guessing games in the market, where you do not have to ask someone, what shall I do in this scenario, where you do not have to rely on someone after learning this course. So you will learn everything, all the rule-based strategies that requires you to become professional and profitable trader. So all the details are on my website. If you want to go and visit www.moneymarkets.net and check out the welcome page video, I have all the details there, what to expect from this course, what are the lessons there. Everything is mentioned there. All the terms and condition policy, refund policy, and everything you need to know before you join this course is on my website. So check that out. Also guys, I'm not someone who is just placing a random ad on Facebook or Telegram channel and convincing you to buy my course. I have proven myself. You follow me if you are satisfied with my trading, and if you are satisfied with my result, only then buy this course. Also guys, I'm not someone who is just placing a random ad showing you flashy cars or watches and you have no idea who that person is. You have seen me from years and months now. So if you follow me from more than a month or a year now, and if you are convinced, if you're interested to become a full-time professional trader, and maybe it's a New Year resolution, then come inside the Money Market Trading Academy. I will teach you the full strategies there and I will give you the full trading plan in order to become a professional and profitable trader. So check out my website for full details. The links are in the description. I'll see you guys inside Money Markets Trading Academy. Take care.